Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Puneet, your trainer for today. In the last video, we created issue types, and in this video, we will be creating request types on the basis of those issue types and configuring our customer portal. We are in the project settings page. We will quickly open it up. On the left panel, we see request types. We will click on request types. Now, we created two issue types earlier. Which of them we created you can see in the last video. So in this one we will go to incidents and we will click on create request type. Our request type will be around incident management of Jira application. We can use any icon that we want according to our needs, and we can assign it to a group. Supposedly you want to create a new group, we can create a new group saying incidents Jira and assign this to incidents Jira group. Click on create. Now our request type has been configured. Now we can use various fields that we want to be made available to customers readily on the customer portal. That is, we see on the right there are various fields. If we want description to be there, if there is a due date that customers can provide us, we can add that. And also if there is any priority that customers have, they can add that priority to this form. Once they click on save changes, we will be able to see that the request type is configured. We can go to the customer portal by going back on the project settings page and clicking on channels. Under channels, we have currently, you see email is turned off, widget is turned off, only portal is visible. So we can open our customer portal and you can see that we recently configured incident Jira group, and under which we created an incident management request type. There are fields that we configured. We are able to see description, due date, and priority. Customers can create a request with us, assign a due date, and send a request. Now, this is what customers are going to see as a part of the customer portal. This is key one that has been assigned to this issue, and all of the updates that are available will be communicated to the customers on this customer portal. For more details, we are going to share a deep dive into our Jira workshop. If you are interested, register with you on the link on the bio, and you will be able to have a session with me and my team and learn more about Jira service management and its administration. Thank you for today. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe.